What? Your true self appears inside that waterfall when you meditate here. Is that for real?
Yes, and Naruto also faced and defeated his true self here.
Well, Guy, why don't you try it out for yourself?
Don't be foolish. We have to go help Naruto first. That's much more important. I came here as his mentor to try to protect him.
All right, you don't have to get so upset, you know. Or are you just too afraid to step up to that waterfall and face your true self, Guy? Well, are you?
What? Do you really believe that I'm scared? No problem!
Oh, no, I was only joking. Although I have a feeling that your true self isn't even human. Lighten up. You're so serious.
Honestly, you really shouldn't be going on about youth so much, should you? A man past his prime like you will get hurt if he overdoes it. I know that you have to keep up appearances for Lee's sake, but face it, you can't keep yourself young just by wishing it so, old man. Come out! Show yourself! Don't just hide and say what you want! Very well, then. Know thy true self! What? That thing is supposed to be my true self? An odd insect?
Isn't that the odd beast?
What? Seems I've forgotten what springtime is. I'll remind myself by defeating you.
No, Guy!
That isn't your true self! No, watch out!
Leaf rock crushing square! Huh? Huh? What do you mean that wasn't my true self?
Go on and take a good look. That is clearly not you.
The moment you open your eyes, you leave the waterfall of truth.
You know, actually, isn't that... It is. It's a pufferfish. No, wait. Maybe it was called a porcupine fish.
Well, there sure are a bunch of strange creatures living here, so I guess that it could be. Is that really a pufferfish?
They're supposed to be super tasty.
Are all of you deliberately pretending to be idiots? I see you haven't changed one bit. You're still dumber than a beast.